Hi, I'm Neha, and I'm so glad that you want to learn about how to add subtitles to your videos on Pictory, and I'm here to help you with just that. Go into the homepage of Pictory and click on this box here called Edit Videos with AI. Once here, all you have to do is drag and drop a file from your computer. I have an MP4 file, and we support a bunch of different video types. Just drag and drop that here. Make sure that you select the language in your video. For me, it is English, so I'm just going to choose English, but you have a bunch of options to choose from. And then just go ahead and click on proceed. Now what Pictory is going to do is it's going to take a couple of minutes, not more than a couple of minutes, and it's just going to transcribe your video and automatically add subtitles to your video. It's that simple. There you go. The video is already ready, and as you can see, subtitles are also added. You can turn on or turn off the subtitles quickly from here. And you can even change the number of lines that you want to allow in a subtitle. So here I said 3, you can make it 2 or 1. I prefer 1, and I would highly recommend you choose 1 too. And then there are a couple of styles from here to choose from. And just go ahead and click on the styles and choose whatever you like. It's as simple as that.